Sure. Here's a detailed recipe for Miang Kham, a traditional Thai appetizer consisting of leaf-wrapped bites filled with a variety of flavorful ingredients. Ingredients. For the Miang Kham wraps. 1 bunch fresh betel leaves, or substitute with spinach or lettuce leaves. Half a cup toasted coconut flakes. Half a cup roasted peanuts, coarsely chopped. Half a cup dried shrimp, chopped. Half a cup fresh ginger, finely diced. Half a cup shallots, finely diced. Half a cup fresh lime, finely diced, including the peel. 3 to 4 bird's eye chilies, finely sliced, adjust to taste. For the Miang Kham sauce. Half a cup palm sugar. 1/4 cup water. 1/4 cup tamarind paste. 2 tablespoons fish sauce, or soy sauce for vegetarian/vegan option. 1/4 cup roasted peanuts, finely ground. 1/4 cup toasted coconut flakes. 1 shallot, finely chopped. 1 clove garlic, minced. 1 to 2 bird's eye chilies, finely sliced, optional, adjust to taste. Instructions. Prepare the Miang Kham sauce. Combine the ingredients. In a small saucepan, combine the palm sugar, water, tamarind paste, and fish sauce. Heat over medium heat, stirring until the palm sugar dissolves. Simmer the sauce. Add the ground peanuts, toasted coconut flakes, chopped shallot, minced garlic, and sliced chilies to the saucepan. Continue to simmer the sauce for about 5 to 7 minutes until it thickens slightly. Remove from heat and let it cool. Prepare the Miang Kham ingredients. Toast the coconut flakes. In a dry skillet over medium heat, toast the coconut flakes until they are golden brown and fragrant. Set aside. Chop the ingredients. Finely dice the ginger, shallots, and lime, including the peel. Coarsely chop the roasted peanuts and dried shrimp. Slice the bird's eye chilies finely. Assemble the Miang Kham. Prepare the leaves. Arrange the betel leaves, or substitute, on a serving platter. Add the fillings. Place a small amount of each filling, toasted coconut flakes, roasted peanuts, dried shrimp, ginger, shallots, lime, and chilies, on each leaf. Drizzle with sauce. Spoon a small amount of the prepared Miang Kham sauce over the fillings on each leaf. Serve. Serve the Miang Kham bites assembled or allow guests to assemble their own. Each bite should be wrapped in the leaf and eaten in one go to experience the full burst of flavors. Enjoy your homemade Miang Kham, a delightful and flavorful Thai appetizer. Miang Kham, or leaf-wrapped bites, is a traditional Thai snack that offers a delightful explosion of flavors and textures in each bite. This dish is known for its fresh, vibrant ingredients and the harmonious combination of sweet, salty, spicy, and tangy elements. Key elements. Betel leaves. Wrap. The key component of Miang Kham is the betel leaf, which serves as the edible wrap. Betel leaves are slightly bitter and aromatic, providing a unique flavor base for the dish. In regions where betel leaves are unavailable, spinach or lettuce leaves can be used as substitutes. Fillings. Toasted coconut. Adds a nutty and slightly sweet crunch. Roasted peanuts. Provide a crunchy texture and nutty flavor. Dried shrimp. Contribute a salty and umami-rich taste. Fresh ginger. Adds a spicy and pungent kick. Shallots. Offer a mild onion flavor with a hint of sweetness. Lime. Chopped lime, including the peel, gives a burst of tanginess and a slight bitterness. Bird's eye chilies. Bring heat and spiciness, which can be adjusted to taste. Sauce. Miang Kham sauce. The sauce is a crucial component, typically made from a combination of palm sugar, tamarind paste, fish sauce, and ground peanuts. It's sweet, tangy, and slightly salty, binding all the ingredients together. Preparation and assembly. Miang Kham is usually prepared by laying out all the ingredients separately, allowing diners to assemble their own bites. Each ingredient is placed in the center of a betel leaf, drizzled with a bit of the sauce, and then wrapped up to form a bite-sized parcel. Serving. Miang Kham is often served as an appetizer or a snack, especially at gatherings and special occasions. It is enjoyed for its refreshing and palate-cleansing qualities, making it a great start to a meal. Cultural significance. Miang Kham holds a special place in Thai culture and cuisine. It is a reflection of the Thai culinary philosophy of balancing different flavors and textures in a single dish. The dish is also known for its health benefits, as it incorporates fresh herbs and spices known for their medicinal properties. Experience. Eating Miang Kham is an interactive and sensory experience. The process of wrapping the ingredients in the leaf and then tasting the burst of flavors as you chew is both enjoyable and memorable. The dish encourages communal dining and sharing, which are central aspects of Thai food culture. Overall, Miang Kham is a wonderful example of Thai cuisine's complexity and ingenuity, showcasing how simple, fresh ingredients can be combined to create a dish that is both flavorful and satisfying.